Jiru rara za gbo fa para mi la ka ma for nto shia mi shika doge mi alo mi runu kra go ha to ndi dia mi runu ta do mi awu nya kra go bibi ha wo na ta jiru rara za gba o fa para mi anti
chafo ko kra mi ro ni ko ta fa ha mi amro go ta ko don mi le fi mi adojo ala ni ko no kata o chichi am ya fa na no bu ahare le ho na ha kata mu afugbe koklo kata o chichi am papa ho kata o le chi am ko ta fara ka mi am
no problema wa ko na oh ya ba ko vida
Halo.
Komie limi adozo mi aranu anu mi ara ko chiko ba yo makura manami yiko kasha mi afonu ha aziglo kata roko foto anu kata ko prokura jiji ko mi nyala ko ge mi gbo chichi mi ako tanu okura go ha chichi amaro la fi o tanu to mi ko no po mi aranu mi adu yiko mi le do mi da chine jishia tana na mako no to yimi.
Okay. Everlove TV right here. Me ba dore apuvama. Le anyanwa apuvama magalio. Me ba dore agokeji. Eka paro ya vai. Na akpo me pe television no jimi pe internet kata apuvama nye te pe ka akida manya onye afudani amana. Eka amashama abulafia no ba apuvama magalio. Fiflafia amokata obuvaire agokeji. Eka agokeji ya ole fiflafia ha. Chapu dama nyawe nya nikega afudam no suku hoya o kala fia ha o ga gbotutuma fifila ha chapu aga akadam de kadam le suku hote ika anya nu ika ngoma masanare ika jojom la fia ika government ika lejiji alo magbobe honorable set yomobu o nya me kele president atepele keta alo angloga district ama jawagba na wona na chunna edua na sanu ya kudam Fuveme fifle fia chapupa amadenya we ganya nukega ejo fifle ta bolomdo nemiayi yacha enuyo kata gbele Fuveme va dure agokeji le gapopo ama eke makolomi achale ejo amai Fuveme yenye ya ene kwa Fuveme ko kata la via ko kata magavalio eke move from here people move from Fuveme as I'm talking Fuveme is the oldest town in this area because of the tidal wave and the sea erosion that happened some years back. Fuveme is no longer there. We cannot find Fuveme on a map right now as we are speaking. Part of it is in the sea. So here is part of it, Fuveme. But this community have been resettled at Agokeji. There are new places, Agokeji. As they move from here to there, the sea erosion is still disturbing them. As we are going there to see what exactly is happening there. Everlove TV is going there to see various houses, how the tidal wave have been able to destroy many of their food items, many of their beds and buildings over there. Follow Everlove TV, let's go there and then watch everything. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and be part of this great family. So let's go to Agokeji and then witness everything. This is Fuveme. As we are talking Fuveme, there is nobody in this area. It is now a ghost town. Fuveme is a ghost town. Nobody is here. All of them have been moved to Agokeji.
Christiana Dadu. Echiremi. If we want to go for a good time, we have to catch a village. But this is the fellow man home, a camel home, a good time. We have to catch a gamela.
Echiram. Yamapo Shimado de Maran Maru. Tending them of Mudahagia. Yamapo at the Mado do Garden. Simla Malasha, Yamapu. Ni Maruha, Mapapera, Wachiran, Belmono Hatu, Mapu. Nkatu Malasha. Malasha have to true. She's the Malay Maponya.
I'm calling you. I thought you got in Koshi. Alabama Lagokaji. At the Mujurumila Fiasanko. Chafo Quiva. I have Glomila, a great Homer, a Glomia Kata, Yafonokata Ruchi. If you come la Femina like me or go. Tana in a Vafia, Nopo, Night Poromorelli, Mahana Coperum, Namaro, what I put a young what were go Kidong, Alabama Mikata, Exire, Corporate Sharema, a Dorekamaga Portofio. Won't another cure, a Pama on top of Dom, Niento familia hacia Zomala, esto no somos aquí. Poco como no kata ulechimo. Ala ba mala romana nya ficha ba. E jaro ku ba haraka ko. Me ko no kata to ko me funo ruwa rochi chama. Ta mira ku kuna ziru ruwa ha. Yene kuno blada miteti. Ebe yi ni ojojo fia jiji, ye ro ko do to kumi. Ta ne ko nu ho ochichingo. Ta no nya hena peperong mi su bara fama. Nya su no plomia fi fi nya fi kai genya la fia. Mi hena peperong wa pere mian ko kaji don mi kata chiro to kata
da kutu ga ye ve ko mi ha ko ta pa yo mi renu fia mi no ojodo wuro ha ta fo kata ni ko ta fara ka mi ado joro de via la sinya chi va ko review ronu ni mo ba ko de fara ko afi ko fa ni pe review kata ma ma no ba ko review na afi ma ba holo osi ti fi la fia ta fa do joro no ma ko ta fara ka jodo go ra renu fia ma no la yi mo la ha gba do kata mu ni la view kata o ti tongo ama chovini hai manyala mama no chitara ka mala shu tama kukura mana ameka sanya fa lidodo ya opara na odolo mi
chapo ko kramiro ni kota fa ha miamro gota ko Daniel fi mi adojo ala ni ko no kata o chichiam ya fa na no bu ahare le ho na ha kata mu afugbe ko klo kata o chichiam papa ho kata ka to le chiam ko ta fara ka miamro
Ko vlema wa kuna.
ko ta fara ka mamro go ko mo fo ji ko miamro
Guchu ya ko no ojo. Eko mi chi alaka, yeko te pe mi momlo ga shio. Nu ka to chitongo, nu ruru a he, nu sia nu he. Okulo kata nyimi ne, papa ho kata nyimi la. O kata ojo ka ka shio. Ta mi chitongo, mi nya fika mlo ga mi fi mi ngblada ba. Ni adomu do mo po je fi ero ri o ba to to ma. Fi mamlo ga mi ale ma. Komie limia dozo mi aranu anu mi arako achikwe ba yo makura manami yiko kasha mi afonu ha aziglo kata roko foto anu kata kokro kurajiji komie nyala ko ge mi gbo titi mi ako tanu okura go ha titi amaru la fi o tanu to mi ko no pe mi aranu mi adu yiko mi le do yo da sinu jisia tana na mako no to yimi ajiru rara za gbo fa para mi la kaka ma fori nto shia mi na shika doge mi alo mi runu kura go ha to ndidi mi runu ta do mi awun nya kura go bibi ha wo na ta jiru na zagba o fa pare mi anti jira mi yela kaka ma fori nto yela kaka ma fori na zagba fa do po na mi afu na manya na mo afuraga ala ba mi okwe ha shara mu na fi ya no pon ta ha ma no mi a ka ala ba afuraga na ya na mi ra sho ha mate na ka popogo ta mi ha po fa dinami na ma dinami mi yela kaka ma
oh
akaka ga poni agara
Babe pe mi asali mina magara mi atona kuchio.
oh atia miara mala na mi kpo mi aba nu bla ne ka fi ka no ga mi amapoto mi ala mi kpo fi ke chi sana mira mi aba ba ka to mo la chinu le ka tutu enya mi aba nya mi ore mi ma la gana du ko me gana du mata kpara mi anchio mi avio ka to chi to achigbe ka mi am o ka nya amasasi ofifi la fi achi o mara ka mi dono la mi ashila fa o mare le ka wo mi la mi kpo nu bla ni na mi re mi ma la gana du mo re mi vote na gana du e gana du mata kpara mi anwo mi aba nya au sasa nu blani nya vi nya gbashi agba mi akọ efo hu mi aba nwushi anwu ya kakarachi ya ji mi ma pogola po ha 30 mi kpo nu blani na mi kpara mi anzuro mi ha mi gana vi ko mi nya ma nya fi bu bore ko kro mi twa fi mi anu fu pepe mo gashi aga malaka.
Everlove TV, as we are speaking right here, I have a friend with me. Eka onyaoma dama. Etwashi nana gbogbomba. Apart from Toby Apede, na ako egakoto Honorable Richard Kwame Sepeji wako electricity yakova Fuveme alo agokejia. Government more na you. Government did nothing to support them. The only thing the government did for this very community, which is about the population, about how many people over here?
About 700 to 1,000.
About 700 people in this community. Government brought 20 mattresses to these people. Whilst NGOs were able to bring many mattresses to some of them, government's mattress that came to this community is only 20 mattresses. And it is very appalling to see these people falling into the same situation again. The same situation happening here again. And it is very appalling to that. They are calling on the government not to do anything than to relocate them from here to wherever they want to go. Because this keep on happening. Anytime the tidal wave continue to rise, yes, it has to fall here and then the community will be in a stable mode. So please, those of you watching, come over to their aid and then help them so that they can pass through this very difficult time. It is Everlove TV right here at Fuveme. Remember to subscribe and be part of this great community, because let's go and then watch some of the video. As we started from the school campus to right to here now. Support them and then let's make this happen once again. Everlove TV right here at Fuveme Agokoji. Remember, Fuveme is no longer there. Fuveme Megalio is gone. If you're over Agokeji aya chakwa gava afudem no le. Akpe bene plomi do vado achine kapokoyama.